Hello and welcome to this tutorial. In this video I'm going to show you how you can place by order on any skins that you want in Counter-Strike. You're going to go to show advanced options, pick Counter-Strike Global Offensive, pick your weapon, pick the category equality and search. Pick the skin that you want. Here, you're going to place by order. Now, I'm not going to show you because, of course, it's got all of my addresses and details on there. But when you press order, you should have the minimum balance of 39.27, or you can request to buy lower. So if you're a bit lucky or people want to sell their skins faster for not that much profit, but they wanted to sell it as quickly as possible, then you might be lucky. Also, just so you know, because this is mostly Counter-Strike 2 based tutorials, all of the skins that you buy will of course transfer over to Counter-Strike 2. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you soon.